Welcome to our video on packing tips, tricks, and hacks for young working Indians. If you're someone who travels frequently for work, you know how important it is to pack efficiently and effectively. In this video, we'll give you some tips and tricks to help you pack smarter so you can save time, space, and money. Step 1. Make a packing list. The first step in efficient packing is to make a list of everything you need to take with you. This will help you stay organized and ensure you don't forget anything. You can use a notebook, an app, or a printable packing list to keep track of your essentials. Step 2. Choose the right luggage. Select the right luggage based on the length of your trip and the amount of items you need to pack. If you are going on a short trip, a small carry-on bag may suffice. For a longer trip, you may need a larger suitcase or backpack. Step 3. Use packing cubes or compression bags. Packing cubes or compression bags are a great way to organize your clothes and save space in your luggage. These can be used to separate clothing items, compress bulky clothes like jackets, and keep dirty clothes separate. Step 4. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a significant amount of space. Not only does it help you fit more clothes in your luggage, but it also prevents wrinkles. Step 5. Pack multi-purpose items. Instead of packing multiple items that serve different purposes, try to pack multi-purpose items like a scarf that can be used as a blanket, a sarong that can be worn as a dress or skirt, or shoes that can be dressed up or down. Step 6. Use travel bottles. Instead of carrying full-size toiletries, use travel-size bottles to save space and avoid excess weight. You can purchase travel-size bottles or transfer your toiletries into smaller bottles. Step 7. Keep your valuables and important documents in your carry-on. Always keep your valuables, like electronics and jewelry, and important documents, like your passport and boarding pass, in your carry-on luggage. This will help ensure they don't get lost or stolen. Step 8. Pack snacks and entertainment. Packing snacks and entertainment can help make your journey more comfortable. Carry some healthy snacks like nuts or granola bars and entertainment items like books, magazines or podcasts. Packing can be a daunting task, but with these tips, tricks, and hacks, you can make it easier, more efficient, and save time, space and money. Follow these steps and you'll be a packing pro in no time. Thanks for watching.